Welcome, welcome, ladies and gents. We are in Borough Market today. Fairly busy for 14th of April, middle of April, Wednesday. I just walked through a minute ago looking for my lovely duck wrap. It's just my luck. Because of bird flu, there is no duck wrap. It is what it is. I'm extremely disappointed. At least I tried. I'm here with my gimbal today, so at any point I can be stopped potentially and
thank you very much.
Asked to finish the video. Who knows? Who knows? It's my first time with gimbal here. Sorry. So yeah, this is where we are. Look, guys, look. That's the reason why I came here. Oh my goodness, and I've been dying to eat it for a long time. Anyway, let's walk around while we are here. I've been salivating all the way here. Oh my goodness, it's busy for some reason. Let me see if they are doing the melted cheese on potatoes, Swiss raclette. It used to be located right here. It used to be very hard to get close to it during Corona time since their shop was sectioned off. So it's still possible. They still have that in place, and I may not get a close-up for you, but would be a shame. Oh, they don't even do it anymore. I can see there is nothing on the grill. So anyway, this is the famous, I'm not gonna pronounce that, but you can read it. No raclette these days? Sorry? We have, yeah? Good, good. I may come later. Thank you so much. Or maybe he's about to put one on the grill. I'll come later. I'm just gonna do a little video and I will come back. Thank you so much. Thank you. So yeah, this could be my replacement for the lack of duck. Oh, are you joking? Look at that, they've got durian, they've got jackfruit. Are you serious? They've got cacao from Ecuador. And here we go. Durian, yum, yum, yum. It took me 6 years to try durian. Since those that know me, I don't even drink beer or wine or cider or any of that, because my taste buds are easily offended by strange tastes. So imagine for me actually put durian in my mouth, literally 6 years. But there is this guy called Durian Rider on YouTube, and I used to follow him a lot. And he's been going on about how incredible it is once you get over the smell, and he's been traveling to eat it. So while I was in Thailand, I said to myself, okay, let's just do it. Let's just do it. I trust Durian, Durian Rider, his opinion. Let's just do it. Oh, yum, 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 yum. I could eat a whole basket of these babies. Yum, yum, yum. I haven't seen this shop before. Somehow, I've never noticed. So I tried durian, and obviously the smell was bad, but I became addicted since it's, as they say, it tastes like sweet custard, vanilla, or I don't know what they say, but extremely good. Love it. King of fruits, indeed. Look at this chart. My grandma used to feed her animals with this. I think rabbits or whatever was eating that thing. Maybe even the chicks, the hens and stuff. I remember they used to cut it with a machine into small pieces, and yeah, quality village stuff. Stuff you can only buy in villages. Let's move on. It's been a long time since I've been here. So far, so good. Nobody stopped me filming. Maybe they were more paranoid during COVID times, because now everything seems to be back to normal, and let's see. Let's see.
So that is a French cheese. I can give you a little taste of it if you like. Yeah.
Sorry if the footage is moving quite a lot. It's very hard to point at one stuff, one object, and for it to be stable. As I said, I used to come here only with my phone. Oh, look at that! Look at that baby there. Oh, I know somebody who would cry. People adore mortadella. Anyway, let's move on. Oh, they changed the order a little bit. Okay, I see those security guys. I'm not gonna provoke them, I'm just gonna walk through another direction. Why not? Cheese everywhere you look. I'll be back to this area after I check out what they serve in the hot food section, which is where we are heading now. Got fishy. Yeah, I know about this light. It's flickering. Sorry about that. I better move on. What do we have here?
Is he open? Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Where is my guy who calls me paparazzi every time? I expected him to shout as usual. He's not here. Oh, Easter in Borough Market. I just wanted to get a better shot of the tree. From a little distance. My lovely Filipino people. Yes, yes, yes. Love Philippines. You see, we bumped face to face with that guy. He said nothing. He saw me with a gimbal. Didn't have a problem with it. It's weird how one time they have problem, not with me, with my friends who came here during COVID times. So we are back on track to the hot food section. Let's see if there is still somebody who remembers me. Or if it has changed. What's this? Some Spanish tapas. Yeah, I think the Indian street food, there may be people I used to know before from filming. So Iraqi dumplings, look at that. Kuba haleb, whatever that is, sounds exotic.